Wouldn't consumers be mad if I say I ship from US and they see the tracking numbers from China? So yeah, you do get a small amount of like annoyed or irritated customers if you're doing it with this method. There are ways to get around this, but yeah, you are going to get a small amount of annoyed customers. See, the end goal really is to avoid this and to set up a system where the customers are unaware that you're shipping from China, and customers are just happy, like they're just happy without you, right? Sorry, I just got really happy. I just remembered something and I just got happy, like, but yeah, that's why I'm fucking smiling like a little girl. So I hope that makes sense. So basically, like, there are ways to mitigate this. So you can do kind of different trackings and do some fake trackings and stuff like this, which I don't necessarily recommend, but you can do this to avoid this. But honestly, very, very, very rarely, maybe like 3% of the time, you're going to have a customer call you out on shipping from China. It's like a very rare occurrence. As long as you're providing good customer service, as long as you do a couple extra things, improve the packaging, things like this, customers aren't going to be annoyed by you.